Okay, for chain crabs combo, click the racket button here. Let's claim first the daily frenzy one. Click claim. Okay, then click back. Then click daily combo. First combo set is this little monkey. Oh, please. First, okay. Second, this one. The third is sexy lady. Fourth is the sexy. The fifth, this is set. Okay, we got the 500k coins, guys. This is the set, guys.